All right guys, so another update on Vaughn's 124. So we're going to install some Barnett Performance products. This stuff is amazing. That's the part number in case you guys are interested. So here we have a variable pressure plate, variable weights pressure plate. So there is the pressure plate out of aluminum. This machining is amazing. Comes with a spacer for your derby cover, steel plates, fibers. This is the one with the extra plate and fiber, and of course our springs so we can fine tune it. I've always said it before, start with maybe gold and then work your way up to make sure that you get the lightest pull as possible where it does not slip. All right, so here we have it installed already. This thing looks sexy. It looks really, really good. Most important, it's going to perform very, very good. So real quick, want to take a moment and let you guys know. So the gold springs, 58 pounds, green springs, 70 pounds, and black springs, 40 pounds. What we did was gold, green, gold, green. So 3 golds, 3 greens. Looks amazing. All right guys, so we'll keep you updated on Vaughn's 124 build as we go along. Just wanted to show you this sexy thing. Guys, if you guys get a chance, go check out Barnett. If you have any questions on this stuff, feel free to give us a call. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Keep up with social media so you guys can continue watching all the updates on Vaughn's 124 twin cam motor.